Alright, now we have Soundwave and Ravage. Yeah, we're going to talk about Soundwave first. So, Soundwave is also based on the first aid mold and is a combination of G1 aesthetics as well as the animated, since the animated version had a truck base. But the robot mode, as we'll see, becomes more G1 based. So here we have lovely blues with some green accents again. Very nice on the wheels. It's got bronze. It's like for the grills and some of the railings. Yeah. Very nice consistent blue with the black windows. Very nice. Yes. And much like Crankcase, we have the filler piece here from Specific Productions, which fills out this whole section quite nicely. Even adds one of those cable pieces there in the front. So, quite cool. So, yeah. Let's get them transformed. Yeah, like that piece is nice because it's the head just slides right past it. And there's also another version designed specifically for the other trucks, which you may remember seeing in the TurboMaster reviews. Alright. Get the arms out. And go back and check out some of those other ones as well if you get a chance. So. Links, rotate the head. I just noticed it's like I didn't get around to adding the Decepticon insignias on him either. I'll have to get around to that. But in the meantime, here we have Soundwave. As you can see, the chest gives off that cassette vibe. Tape player. There's green breaking up and gold all around. Yes, and there's the head from Steamshield. So it's quite nicely. Yeah. If you want, we can also give him its weapon there. And let's talk about this little Ravage here. Now this Ravage was basically designed for the Leo Kaiser set. I forget what his name is, Chalgar or whatever. He had the whole breast force thing with their breast animals, and here the animals were reimagined as just little gun weapons of sorts. Like, they don't turn into chests, but they do turn into guns. So we got that piece. They were made by Prize Inside by Octivarate Forge / Trend Troop. And yeah, so you can get like Jaguar, Rhino, Bison, Lion / Tiger, 2 types of dogs, bats, eagles. So you can get all types of little versions like this. And yeah, so here we have the one painted as it's like as Ravage, and these are neat because you get the legs move, and the head sort of goes up and down a little bit. And they have the handle there, so they transform into guns. Just slide that over. And now you have a blaster with the 5mm port, so you can hold. So here you have a version of Soundwave with a blaster made from Ravage. If you want to, like I said, you can get other pieces as well. So you can have like a laser beak, a rat bat, and things like that. So you can arm him up. It's like with several of these if you want to, but I chose to go with Ravage just because it was fun. But you might see some more of these animal buddies, it's like, if you will, again. Might see those down the line. And just for fun, it's like here is you know, even though they're the same mold, as you can tell, it's like it's amazing how paint makes them look totally different from each other, even though it's like they're the same mold. So there's that for you. And yeah, so that was the Soundwave Deluxe class, and yeah, hope you enjoyed that. And moving on.